Hi everybody! Today let's see how to make pineapple chicken. For this, cut chicken and pineapple into small cubes. First we'll start with the marination. Add some salt and chili powder to the pineapple and mix it well and keep it aside. Similarly to the chicken, add some salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder and pepper. And I'm adding some pineapple juice to it. So basically when we cut the pineapple into pieces, there would be some juice extract coming out of it. So I have taken those juice extract and adding them to the chicken for the marination. Let them soak for at least half an hour to 1 hour. Once it's marinated, take a saucepan, add some oil to it and then fry the marinated pineapple in it. So here we are stir frying the pineapple. Once the color changes, it's done. So you can keep it aside. Next, add some oil in the saucepan and let's start frying our chicken pieces. So what I'm doing here is I'm just coating the chicken pieces with corn flour and then pan frying them. So once the chicken is fried, we'll just take them and keep them aside as well. For the main part, we'll start frying one finely chopped onion. Once the onion color changes, we'll add one finely chopped tomato to it. And then add a pinch of salt, just required amount for this onion and tomato. Now you can add your fried pineapple and chicken to it and then saute them well. You can make this dish either ways you wanted it to be. If you wanted it dry, you can just leave it the way it is. Or if you would like to have it as a curry, you can add some water to it and let it cook around 2 to 3 minutes till it reaches to a boiling consistency. Once it's done, you can add some capsicum to it and cook it for another 1 minute. It's almost done. As a final touch, we'll add some chopped corianders to it. Our pineapple chicken is finally ready. You can serve this curry with roti, naan or any kinds of breads. Or you can cook it in a dry consistency and have it as a starter as well. Please do try the dish and let me know your reviews in the comment section. See you all in the next video. Until then, bye!